project at Oriental Rug Care. Here's an old Saruk. I just love old Saruks. And we can see here we put brand new Fringe on it. And look at the sheen on it. It's just absolutely wonderful. And so right now what we're doing is we're researching the side of it. As you can see here, that it's coming apart. And this rug's probably 80, 90 years old. And we're just rebuilding it so it can last another 80, 90 years. If you're looking for rug cleaning, rug restoration, give Oriental Rug Care a call. They love to earn your business.